back down, man. Memory lane. Do you remember? Yeah, it's like, it's like, do you remember the good old days? Grab the mic at the house party, everybody hey, parlay with no dilemma in the discussion. Back in '85 when Houdini rocked the function, 5 minutes of funkin', pop lock a boogie. Reach the big set for representing fully. Puppetrons and the strutters incorporated. Catch them at the challenge show on the stage unfaded. I'm at the corner 7-Eleven, video game and holler. The young crew with big goals trying to get $1. From smaller to taller, and individuals hustle. Solid like 10 knuckles, strong in the struggle. Buckle, those opposed to seeing us bubble. Kept our heads together, maintained through the trouble. The aftermath, pondering on yesterday's path. Wishing we could see it once more. Sit back and laugh. To the better half, I wish it could be forever and ever. I miss the old Christmases back in December. I remember
when we used to play shoot 'em up, bang, bang, baby. I remember we used to chase the girls and beat 'em up. Just a young one growing up in the hood. Back down memory lane.
What you remember, girl?
With no worries, we took to the streets so openly. One day hoping that we